अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स पे। आई नो कि आप सब लोगों को इंग्लिश लेटर्स आते होंगे, बट सम ऑफ देम वी ऑलवेज प्रोनाउंस इनकरेक्ट। सो देखते हैं कि कौन कौन से लेटर्स आप लोग मिस प्रोनाउंस करते हैं। इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट में पहला लेटर है ए और इसकी 4 डिफरेंट साउंड्स हैं। तो हम देखते हैं कौन कौन सी इसकी अलग अलग साउंड्स हैं। अच्छा देखिए, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है ए, लेकिन इसकी पहली साउंड है आ, एज इन डांस, as in chance, as in enhance। A की दूसरी साउंड है A, as in gate, as in date, as in April। A की तीसरी साउंड है A, as in apple, as in snacks, as in rat। A की चौथी साउंड है O, as in water, as in talk, as in bottle। दूसरा लेटर है B, as in banana, as in bamboo, as in baby। नेक्स्ट लेटर है C, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है C और इसकी 2-3 डिफरेंट साउंड्स हैं। हम देखते हैं कौन कौन सी है। इसकी पहली साउंड है क, as in cat, as in cut, as in cutter। C की दूसरी साउंड है च, as in lunch, as in champ, as in bunch। नेक्स्ट लेटर है D, as in duck, as in dumb, as in dog। नेक्स्ट लेटर है E, as in wheels, as in need, as in feel। नेक्स्ट लेटर है F, as in fan, as in foam, as in famous। नेक्स्ट लेटर है G, as in gear, as in goose, as in girl। नेक्स्ट लेटर इज H, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है H और इसकी साउंड है H, as in hen, as in human, as in hood। Next letter is I, its pronunciation is I and it produces the sound of I as well, as in eye, as in shine, as in wine। Next letter is J, as in Japan, as in judge, as in jug। Next letter is K, as in cattle, as in kite, as in kiwi। Next letter is L, as in lumber, as in lamb, as in lamb। Next letter is M, इसको याद रखें कि ये nasal sound है, नाक से निकालेंगे M, as in moon, as in mommy, as in Mumbai। Next letter is N, ये भी nasal sound है, as in nose, as in naughty, as in nasty। Next letter is O, as in onions, as in open। Next letter is P, as in potato, as in parrot, as in pinkish। Next letter is Q, as in quilt, as in queue, as in question। Next letter is R, as in rabbit, as in rose, as in red। Next letter is S, as in sun, as in soup, as in sweet। Next letter is T, as in tattoo, as in tomb, as in tide। Next letter is U, as in umbrella, as in university, as in Urdu। Next letter is V, as in van, as in variety, as in west। Next letter is W, as in woman, as in womb, as in work। Next letter is X, as in x-rays or as in ex-girlfriend। Next letter is Y, as in New York, as in youth, as in yes। The last letter is Z, as in zigzag, as in zebra, as in zombie। So these were the 26 English alphabet. You will pronounce them correctly hereafter. I hope see you next time.